Hi, today I have Realme 7 Pro and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. Start off opening Google Chrome application in it. Tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings, where we have our passwords, and there we can manage our passwords with our smartphones. Remember, maybe to our Facebook account, we must click there. In it we can copy our username and passwords using this icon, site passwords or username, or after we press on the size icon, our smartphone show us password which remember. We can also tap on it to copy or delete this password from our device by trash icon and we delete it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.